While visiting underserved schools as a clinical research scientist in oncology, I am appalled at the lack of resources available to the children. Students will be left behind from future jobs in science and technology. At IlluminXation, we are inspired to close this gap and provide quality STEAM education for all. We operate a multinational program that teaches basic cancer biology to students K through 12 of different socioeconomic backgrounds. Our goal is to steer the next generation of students towards 21st century careers in healthcare. Healthcare professionals, teachers, and engineers deliver academic and educational leadership. We have accomplished the 2030 sustainable goals of quality education and building wealth and welfare for all students on a global scale. Through the team management and leadership program, I now know myself as big, bold, and beautiful, and I listen others the same. IlluminXation, illuminating the minds of the next generation.